of a different journey today. We are taking the train to Saint-Jérôme.
The EXO train.
EXO train to Saint-Jérôme, and it's an ordeal to buy tickets. Solo train 7?
So this is the stage with, we did English non-rechargeable card. We have to go next page for like 5 pages. Keep going.
That's it.
That's it?
It's different here.
It's different here. Oh my god. What? They don't have a single...
Solo train 7, Billy. That's it.
Okay, that's it. That's it. Yeah, $6.
Okay. I can't buy 2 at the same time though.
Well, that's dumb.
I know. Yeah.
Let us go through. Like, that would never happen in Toronto.
Mont-Tremblant in the distance. So we made it to Mont-Tremblant. It's beautiful here, and we found the 2 best amenities that every cycling hotel could have: 24-hour tea and laundry.
It could be sun shining at the top. We don't know. How high are we going?
Windy in here. We're not bouncing around yet, but oh, maybe we are. Let's get out of here. On the plus side, we have the whole peak to ourselves. On the bad side, it's pretty crazy up here. It's cold.